We are here today because the world population is reordering itself. In November, the global population surpassed 8 billion, the largest population the world has seen. The continued trajectory for India is very much one of the current cohorts that are entering reproductive life, will continue to boost overall fertility in the country. But given the fertility pattern already evident, we can start to anticipate the decline, the plateauing and decline of the Indian population as well. Both India and China are aging, and both are at different sort of stages in this trajectory and projection. China being further ahead, as in being an older country, but the challenges of preparing for population aging are everything about demographic resilience, knowing the projection.